Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to pull back the curtain on something that could be the key to unlocking your career in the future of manufacturing, the Smart Automation Certification Alliance, or, as you'll hear it called, SACA.
So let's talk about Industry 4.0. You've probably heard the term, right? We're talking about a world of smart factories powered by automation, AI, and systems that all talk to each other. And listen, this is not some far-off sci-fi thing. It's happening right now, and it is creating a huge demand for a whole new kind of skilled professional.
Here's the catch, a really big one. A study from Deloitte estimates that something like 2 million manufacturing jobs could go unfilled in the next decade. Why? Well, it all comes down to a critical skills gap. Companies have all this amazing new tech, but they are struggling like crazy to find people who actually know how to use it, operate it, and fix it when it breaks.
So the big question is, how do you prove you've got what it takes for this new world? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down. We'll look at the skills gap, figure out what SACA actually is, see how their certifications work, check out the real-world impact on careers, and then lay out your next steps.
Let's jump right in. This skills gap, it sounds like a problem, and for companies, it is. But for you, it's a massive opportunity. That is, if you're prepared. You know, you hear all this talk about robots coming for our jobs, right? But the real story is, well, it's way more interesting. These technologies are actually creating a huge demand for people with what are called connected systems skills. We're talking about people who can program a robot, understand the data coming from a sensor, and fix the network that connects the whole factory. So it's not about replacing people. It's about skilling them up for way more important jobs. And that's where SACA comes into the picture. It's an organization that was literally created by the industry, for the industry, to solve this exact problem. Think of SACA like this. Its whole mission is to create a clear, trusted, and standard way for you to show employers, hey, I've got the exact skills you're looking for. And they're really focused on making these certifications affordable and easy to access. And this is absolutely key. These certifications aren't some dusty old textbook theory. Nope, they are developed with direct input from U.S. manufacturers, from the people on the ground, to make sure they match up perfectly with the skills needed on the factory floor right now. Okay, so here's where it gets really smart. The way SACA has set up its certifications is incredibly flexible. They've moved way beyond the old rigid ways of doing things. So instead of some massive you-have-to-do-it-all-at-once program, SACA uses what they call micro-credentials. Honestly, you can think of them like skill badges in a video game. You prove you can do one specific thing, like troubleshoot a motor or program a robot arm, and bam, you get the badge. You earn them one by one. This is where that badge idea gets even cooler. They're stackable. You're not just collecting random skills, you're actually building a career path, brick by brick. You stack these micro-credentials on top of each other to earn full certifications, which gives you a super clear step-by-step way to go from an entry-level job to a high-level technician. And those stacks, those bricks, they build up into 3 really clear levels, kind of like a career ladder. You can start as an associate, then move up to a specialist in a specific area, and maybe even aim for that professional engineering level cert. It's a clear, logical path forward. Now, for every certification, there are 2 flavors, silver and gold. Silver is all about proving what you know. You pass an online exam, and it shows you understand the theory. But gold? Oh, gold is the real prize. It's about proving what you can do. For that, you have to pass a hands-on test. It's the difference between saying you know how to wire a motor and actually doing it correctly with someone watching. Okay, theory is great, but what does this actually mean for your career, for your paycheck? Let's get into the real-world impact.
Take someone like Alex Topolovich, a project manager. He's a perfect example. He didn't just want a piece of paper. He went for the gold certs because he wanted that critical, hands-on proof. For him, it was a way to show that he didn't just read about the tech. He could actually master it. And that kind of proven skill is a huge deal for employers.
So Alex's story really hammers home the key benefits here. Because the certifications are industry-driven, you know you're learning exactly what companies need right now. They boost your career because you have real proof of what you can do. And they're portable and stackable, so you can take them anywhere and keep building on them your entire career. All right, so you're probably thinking, okay, I'm in. This sounds awesome. So what are the actual next steps? How do you get on this path? Well, the good news is the path is pretty clear. It's not about how many hours you spend in a classroom. It's about proving what you know and what you can do. You find a SACA member, get prepared, pass the written exam for silver, and then, if you're up for it, crush the hands-on assessment for gold. So your very first move is to connect with a place that offers the training and testing. And trust me, with hundreds of high schools, community colleges, and company partners all over the country, there's a really good chance there's one not too far from you. Look, as this whole Industry 4.0 thing keeps getting bigger and bigger, having verifiable industry-backed proof of your skills isn't just a nice little extra on your resume, it's going to be essential. It's non-negotiable. SACA offers a really clear way to prove you're ready for the jobs of today and tomorrow. The only question left is, how are you going to certify your skills to build a smarter career?
For free SACA practice test, you can either click the link in the description or simply scan the QR code on the screen.